welcome back to my channel Runji's Food Masti. Today I will be sharing a recipe of chocolate crackle or also known as chocolate rice crispies. So without further delay, let's start cooking. For chocolate crackle recipe, first we will roast the nuts. I have taken 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts and 2 tablespoons of slivered pistachios. So we will roast it on medium flame for 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and then we will move to the next step. Keep stirring while you are roasting the nuts, otherwise they will get burnt. 3 minutes are over, the nuts are well roasted, so I will take it out in a separate bowl. Now we will roast 2 cups of puffed rice, also known as Churmura or Murmura. Roast it on medium flame and stir it constantly when you are roasting it. Roast it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now 4 minutes are over, puffed rice is roasted well. Switch off the gas and transfer it to the bowl where we have taken out the nuts. Now the next step is to melt the chocolate on double boiler method. Double boiler method is a way in which chocolate is melted using indirect heat. That is, it is melted with the help of heat coming out from the steam of hot water. So I have taken a metal pot, I have filled it up with 1 inch of water and I will wait till it comes to a light simmer. Heat it on a low flame, don't rush to heat it on high flame. Now you can see small bubbles at the bottom of the pan. So the water is about to simmer. The water should not boil, it should simmer only. Now I will put the bowl with chocolate on the top of the steam. You have to ensure that it fits on the top of the bowl, it should not touch the surface of the water. Keep stirring it while you are melting it so that it will melt evenly and uniformly. The chocolate is melted well. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. You have to ensure that the pot of chocolate is dry and clean because water is not a good friend of chocolate. It will create problem for you. Give it a quick stir. It takes 4 to 5 minutes to melt the chocolate completely. Now we will switch off the gas and transfer this melted chocolate to the churmura or puffed rice. Don't wait till the chocolate cools down. You have to do it when it is warm or it is hot. Now mix it till the churmura or the puffed rice is fully coated with chocolate. Now transfer the chocolate coated rice crispies to the silicone mold. If you do not have silicone mold, then you can use regular paper cups, but you will have to grease it with butter. Press it a little so that it takes the shape of the mold. It should be compact. It should not be hollow. Similarly, I will fill the other silicone molds with chocolate rice crispies. You have to transfer it into the cups while the chocolate is hot. Once it cools down, it will be difficult for you to transfer it to the cup. Now once it comes down to the room temperature, we will keep it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours and then we will demold it. You have to use milk chocolate for this recipe and not dark chocolate. I had kept it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now the chocolate is well set. We will demold it. Gently remove the silicone mold. This is how it looks. I will demold the other rice crispies also and keep it in the serving plate. You have to serve this chilled, you cannot keep it at room temperature. And it has come out very crispy. See the sound. Thank you very much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, happy cooking. Take care. Bye bye.